Hey, drone enthusiasts! Ready to take your FPV racing to the next level? Today, we are diving into the world of flight controllers. Stick around as we guide you through choosing the best one for your racing drone. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a flight controller, and why does it matter? Think of it as your drone's brain. It keeps things stable and responsive. We'll break down the key features you need to know. Now, let's talk features. Look for processing power, gyroscope sensors, firmware compatibility, and extras like OSD and Bluetooth. These are the game changers for smooth flying. Ready for our top picks. Betaflight F7, KISS FCV2, iFlight 6EXD F7, Holybro Kakute F7, and Brain FPV Radix 2 are our favorites. Each offers something unique for your racing needs. Installation matters. Secure connections, firmware updates, and sensor calibration are crucial for optimal performance. Take your time, it's worth it. And there you have it. Your guide to choosing the best FPV racing drone flight controllers. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more drone content. Happy flying, and see you in the next video. Check out our website www.skydronehq.com.